Hello. So when you are at this slide, which is for language arts, you're going to click on this picture, and the picture will take you to a screen like this. So you're just going to enter in your first and last name. You can put in a nickname, that's optional. I would suggest don't use a nickname just yet. Just go ahead and type in your first and last name and then press join lesson. Okay? So after you complete that, you're going to see this page. Now, if you look on the side of your screen, there is an arrow going that way. It helps you to go back. And on the opposite side, there's another blue arrow that helps you to move forward. When it's time for you to move forward, you press the arrow on the other side, on the next side of the screen. So you will get to this page, and of course, it's just going over our objectives, the things that we're going to be learning today. And again, you're going to get here, you press the blue arrow again, and gives you a quick review. First, we have to see what we remember about common and proper nouns. Press the blue arrow, and then it takes you to your quiz. You can go ahead and choose your answer. I already chose my answer. What is a noun? A person, place, or thing. And then I press next at the bottom here. And then it asks me for another question. Which of these words is a noun? And that my answer is brick. I press submit, and it will load up and tell me how much I got correct or incorrect based on the two questions you just answered. And see, I got 2 out of 2, 100% correct. If I had gotten any incorrect, it will show me here. And if I didn't put in an N, if I missed any, it would show me that I missed an answer here. So on the opposite side, press the blue button, just like this, blue arrow. There's another one on this side that you can't see from my screen. You press it and you continue. Now I want to show you what you're going to do when you reach this page. It says common nouns are ordinary words for people, places, things. We know that it also includes animals and ideas. So common nouns are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. And in the table below, circle all the common nouns. So how will I circle the common nouns? If you come down here to your screen, these are all things that you can use to write on this board. So I'm going to choose the pen icon, and I can choose any color that I want. I want to use green today. And also I can slide this up to make it thicker. I can slide it down to make the lines thinner, right? So I want to choose green, and then since I already chose it, I can click back on that to minimize it. And I'm supposed to circle all the common nouns. So I'm going to circle person and the word state, and you will continue just in that way. When you are finished, you press submit, and then you press the blue arrow key. Now you will continue with the slide until you are finished. When you are finished, be sure to make sure you press submit. That way I can get your work to see how you did. Okay, bye.